So all the inside photos are revealed, and guess what? There was a set that I didn't tell you on my last video, and that's the best set ever. I almost screamed out loud. You're totally gonna love it. So this is the convenience store set, and the inside is so lovely, right? Look at all those like baking equipments, and like the oven and the cookies and the biscuits and stuff like that. They look so wonderful. But anyway, you're totally going to love the last set. It's so awesome. So okay, so this is the dog treats van. No, not the dog treats, the pet accessory van, and it looks very nice on the inside as well. And let's see the next one. So the bunny hotel thing, and the inside is very nice and cozy as well. So the bunnies are very big, like I told you last time. And the next one, let's see what it is. So it's the convenience store. So yeah, it's very clean and neat with all the stuffs inside. We have noodles and cards, stuff like that. It's a really nice convenience store. And this one is very nice. It's like really interesting creatures. They look very cute, and I totally love them. They're really awesome, like transparent colors. They're so good. And okay, so the next one, it's the Unicorn Dream Cafe, and inside is so lovely with all those rainbow carpets, like so many desserts. It's totally fantastic, and it's so lovely. I love it. And this is the fashion show. Inside is really nice too. Oh my goodness, I just love all of them so much. Their outfits. Look at all their outfits. It's so good. Like, oh my god, it's so wonderful. So yeah, we have so many new outfits in this set because it's a fashion show. And let's see the next set. It's the indoor playground, and oh my goodness, this one, the inside is so good. There are so many activities, and just wait until you see the last one. It's coming pretty soon. It's really terrific, really. And this one is very nice too. So let's see the next. It's Lian's house. So in this site, I couldn't see the inside photos, so I visited another site to see the inside of Lian's house. So we have that mysterious creature in Lian's bedroom again, and the living room is so lovely too. We have Michelle, her mother, and there's this horse stable. So the last set is coming pretty soon. It's really nice. So the inside is very cozy. This one, the inside is very nice too. We have two horses, Thunder and Coco. Yeah, it's really fantastic. And this is the clubhouse, and guess what, the inside is really nice. We have like gaming rooms and like I don't know what this is exactly, and as you can see, it looks like Churro has a new face print, and she kind of looks angry. So we're gonna have an angry Churro. Oh my gosh, that's so wonderful. And there's a place where they all sleep together. That's really nice. So now time for the wonderful scene. Look at that. This is the Golden Restaurant. Isn't it so fantastic? The building style it's not like the Lego Friends I know. It's so different, and I just love it so much. It's so fantastic. Oh my gosh, this is so good. Oh, so good. We also have a pool, and this is a restaurant. Oh my gosh, this is so awesome. This is the biggest set, I think. Yeah, I think so. And oh my gosh, that's so wonderful. I just, oh my gosh, it's making me cry. So anyway, this is a small set with like popsicles, and this is really cute. So look at this little popsicle. This like pony trailer stuff, and the inside is very nice too. I love it so much. Let's see the next one. It's the little clinic for horses. We have so many horses this year, like so many horses. But the more the better. I love horses. So horses, nice horses. And the next one, the last one, the beach house. And as you can see at the background, we have the adventure boat set that we had in 2025. I just love the Golden Restaurant. So this is the end of the video. Oh my gosh, the Golden Restaurant. Anyway, see you next time. Bye bye.